Welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a drizzle with a chain pull and a spin. And we'll see how it goes. I'm using the same colors as I used on my last painting, so the color card will be coming up in any second. I'll show you all the colors I'm using. I've got white acrylic down on my canvas. Now this is 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol. And all of my paints, I mix them up 50-50 as well with a drop of silicone in 4 of these colors. No silicone on the white, and my chain pull color is going to be my turquoise green, which that one has 3 drops of silicone in it. So that's what we're going to do. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, all my regulars, thank you so much for the comments. I know I say it in every video, but I mean it in every video. It really does mean the world to me when I get a thumbs up and a comment. When I get in the door from work, the first thing I do is read comments. And if I get a chance on my lunch break at work, I also go in and see if there's any comments. So again, thank you very much, everyone. Okay, let's start drizzling some color down. Now this one is, I'm probably not going to say all the colors, but this one's the ultramarine. Now this is the flash paint. They come in these little bottles here. The box says only sold in Canada. So I'm not sure if any of my US viewers will be able to get it, but it is a really nice paint. Nice and bright colors. Okay, let's do this. And for those of you watching, curious, I am in Vancouver, BC, on a stormy, windy, rainy night. But we can't complain because we don't have any snow and we don't have freezing temperatures. It's just very damp and very windy right now. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. You might even hear it in the background, the wind gusts. Now I'm just drizzling as much color down here as I can without pouring the whole cup of paint on here, because I do want it to just be a drizzle. That should be good for this color. Now this one is the Brilliant Purple, it's called. Again, these are the flash colors. Now I've not done one of these chain pulls with the drizzle effect with a spin on it, so this will be fun to see how it turns out. Great time to hit that notification bell right beside that subscribe button that I know you've already hit, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And this one is Sky Blue. Now this time I'm going to twirl it around. And I do have some neon colors here as well that I'm using. Just actually got them from Amazon. Now I do have links in my description for all the stuff that I use from Amazon. If you feel like getting yourself some paints or anything, by all means click my link. I'll get a tiny commission if you click my link and end up buying something from Amazon on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. Now this one is Crimson Red. Alright, then we've got our aqua green. Now doesn't this look like a fun painting to do? Just have a whole mishmash of color down here. Okay, so now some of my neons. This is neon pink, in case you didn't guess that, which I'm sure you did. And if worst case scenario this doesn't work, the colors are bright enough I can certainly pull off some flowers, I'm sure. But it's going to work. It's going to look beautiful. Neon orange has definitely got some punch to it for sure. My goodness, is that bright. Okay, now neon yellow. Here we go. Now the fun begins. I'm just going to put my turquoise green down on my plastic lid sitting here and pull the chain through it. Now this is just regular chain. You can get them at any hardware store. This is a medium ball size chain. Hopefully I have it covered enough. I think that should be good. Okay. First chain down is going to be right here. Now I dreamt about this last night and I thought, oh, I wonder if it would work. So all day at work I was thinking, I gotta do that chain pull I was thinking about. So that's what we're doing. That's how this all came to be. Okay, should be lots of paint on there. Let's do this one right there. Okay, let's put one more down. So you might need a little bit more paint here. Can you hear the wind? I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but there's lots of wind outside. And I've been home from work for about 20 minutes, half an hour at the most. Right away I come in here and start painting. I'd say I'm a little addicted. Hold on one sec here. We're going to put this right in the middle. Right here. Be a little bit bigger S kind of line through it. Okay, what do you think? Should we do one more? Oh, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my green turquoise on the end of this, and I'm just going to pull. Just to add some creativity to this idea. Okay, I'm going to stop there and we'll see how we do here. Let's pull these guys. There's one down. There's the second one. There's the third one. I'm just looking to see, do I want to add a couple more wispy lines? I might. Why not? Living on the edge, let's do this. I'm going to do one right here. One right here. This looks like one busy painting. Okay. I'm going to put my chain away. Get those prepped to wash after, and let's give this a spin and see what happens. Okay, wish me luck, you guys. Let's see how much of a mess I make. Stick around. This is going to be a little bit of dizzy spell. Hold on. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, I'm going to give it another spin. A little bit harder this time. Love all the colors that are on the table. I might have to get myself a couple of small canvases and do some reverse dips in that. Wow. Okay, now I have to decide, do I want to swipe anything? Let's give this a torch. See what's happening with cells. That bright pink definitely is popping big time. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it another spin. I don't know if any more paint will move, but we'll see. I don't know, that was kind of a wussy spin. It might not have done anything. If any of you are getting dizzy, fast forward through this part. Just don't go away. Okay. Wow. That is a pretty cool looking painting. Just trying to figure out, do I want to do anything more with it? Let's see. I'm going to try and do just a little bit of a swipe with some plastic. Just out of curiosity, is there anything going to happen in the effect of a leaf? Yeah, it looks like it's going to. Let's just do a couple more of those. And then I'll give it a torch and see. I have some sections here that really do look like leaves, so I'm just helping it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stop for a sec, give it a torch, and see what those are doing. Alrighty, I'm officially calling this one done. Just going to pick it up, give it a quick little tilt and let you see how bright it is. There we go. That is a Drizzle chain pull spin with a little bit of swipe. Alright everybody, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell. And stick around, watch another video. I'm betting you Greg will have one up right now for you to click on. Thanks again, everyone.